the animals. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Colors and voices, let's sing and mix.
If you like what you are seeing, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for being awesome!